1. Practice gratitude. Make it a habit to appreciate the good things in your life, big or small. This could be a daily thankfulness list, expressing appreciation to loved ones, or simply savoring positive experiences. 2. Nurture relationships. Invest time and energy in your relationships with friends, family, and loved ones. Strong social connections are essential for happiness and well-being. 3. Find purpose and meaning. Having a sense of purpose, whether through work, hobbies, or volunteering, can give your life direction and fulfillment. 4. Embrace growth. Never stop learning and challenging yourself. Step outside your comfort zone, set goals, and strive for self-improvement. 5. Take care of yourself. Prioritize your physical and mental health. Eat nutritious food, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, and manage stress effectively. 6. Focus on the present. Mindfulness practices can help you appreciate the present moment and avoid dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. 7. Develop a positive mindset. Cultivate an optimistic outlook. Forgive yourself and others. Focus on the positive aspects of life and challenge negative thoughts.